Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be transforming this day look into night look. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have a little bit of foundation on from my day look. Don't worry, we're just going to focus on the eyes right now. I am going to be using the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I am using this brown and focusing a little bit on the browner tones in order to make this look pop up, especially at night. Now I'm going to be using this pretty glittery green. It pops up really well with the brown undertones and it makes my eyes stand out a little bit more than it would. Now I'm just blending it well because I don't want anything to look uneven. I am using the e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm putting that in my waterline and dragging it in to the outer corner. Now I am just doing my eyeliner trick that I do to create that little wing. I am blending it out well because I want it to look a little bit smoky. I am using my LA Colors liquid eyeliner. Maybelline Falsies mascara, Maybelline concealer. Again, this is me retouching my base. Now I'm using two Maybelline foundations to get my tone. My Wet n Wild blush. LA Colors contour stick. Chloe Dollar Tree bronzer. Dollar Tree pressed powder. Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. ColourPop Cosmetics Disney Oogie Boogie lipstick. ColourPop Cosmetics Bambi lip gloss. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like this. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys!